But they on Monkey App right now. I just meet two Jamaican girl and them and them I do YouTube video. Want to subscribe right now, yeah? If you not subscribe, me I come in here not to see you.
Subscribe to me. By the human tube. Tune in. By the human tube.
What's up, guys? It's Omi and it's Omi and Riri, and we're back with another video, guys. Guess which video we are doing today? It's a surprise. It's something out of the comfort zone, so I hope you guys like the video. So it's a Omegle video. For you guys who don't know Omegle, it's like a chat room. Yeah, pretty much you can video call random persons all over the world. It's a very weird site. Weird people with weird things. So let's see. Before we begin, of course, housekeeping. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If you haven't watched our previous video, go ahead and do so. Go ahead and do so. Hope you guys like the video. Alright, so let's do Omegle. I don't know why they ban me. What did Omegle, what did I do to you?
She go pan like a baby road and
what did I do to you, Omegle? Wagwan.
Oh, everybody's skipping us.
Skip way.
They never see two black girls before, and I be white people we I see like
I want so they want tussle. 16
from Monkey.
Omegle. Wagwan.
Oh my god, is it the accent?
I don't know.
Let me try the American accent.
What's up?
Mm.
Ooh, my self-esteem is decreased. Wagwan.
Hi.
Hello.
What's up? Dude, say something.
Where are you from?
I'm in that area, bro.
We're not hearing you. We're not hearing you. Not hearing you.
Nothing
No.
at all. At all. Absolutely nothing. You're shouting, but I'm not.
We're not hearing you.
But hi.
Yeah. Alright, so
Later days.
yeah.
What?
Just take the earphone out, my G. It's not working.
It was pretty nice.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
Surprisingly.
Black
well,
pipe.
let's see.
Black pipe. Wrong app, sir. Wrong app.
It's pitch black. What's going on?
This is the ultimate app for trolling, guys. It
From
seems
Kingston.
because Rara from Kingston, Wagwan, fellow Jamaican on
We
here.
love to see that. How comes you're in Monkey though? What's up?
You're bored. You're bored. You're
COVID.
bored. COVID.
At the pandemic, honestly.
But they're with us there. Our YouTubers, by the way.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you can subscribe to our channel at Omi and Riri. Yes.
Yeah, like the name what you see. Us
Yeah.
on YouTube, you can subscribe. You try 1, 2.
Yeah, we're try a thing, you know? Oh, we're not area. We're just
You just
asking
say
gestures and
I don't know. Yeah, like the second
mic.
person, but we're not here. We hear a couple other people, but
are we the problem?
am I the bad guy? I don't think I'm the bad guy. But nice seeing you though. Subscribe later. Why we're not here then?
Guys.
We're upset.
But you heard the guy though was saying
Yeah.
showing to it? This guy said showing to it. So how? We're not the problem then.
Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain. Oh, so we got here somebody. Hey, Michael.
Wagwan.
Michael! You're on Monkey, you're not showing your face.
Jake from State Farm.
Hello? Dude, I know you're there. You're
Hello?
probably a child.
Alright. Alright, subscribe to our channel at Omi and Riri. Have a nice day.
Bye. Creep.
Guys.
No, sir.
Oh, child.
We don't understand when some of them creators to go through. Because, hey, Wagwan. I like your hair. Finally, somebody can hear.
Finally.
I like your hair.
Where you from?
Can you guess?
I can already tell.
Really?
Yeah, Jamaica.
Yeah, you got it.
So, what's up?
Chilling.
What you doing on Monkey?
Yeah.
What?
What you doing on Monkey?
I'm bored. I've been up all night.
Why?
First of all, my dad had a flight at 4 in the morning, so I had to wait for him to leave so I could help him bring the luggage down. Then I was just not even tired, like to go to sleep, so I just stayed up.
You're up. Alright, I understand.
Okay.
So where in America are you, if I can ask you that?
In New York.
Oh,
Okay, well,
cool.
in New York, you guys know the Jamaican.
Yeah,
There's a bunch of Jamaicans in New York.
Yeah.
You're right on that,
It's
so.
pretty mixed.
Yeah. So, is it okay if we like film this because we're doing a YouTube video, so we don't want to, you know.
Alright,
Okay.
cool.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Alright.
Also, the channel is Omi and Riri, okay?
Alright.
Alright,
Alright,
thank you.
bye.
Have a nice day.
He is
He was-
nice.
yeah.
Not creepy at all.
Right.
Son of the year right there, guys.
Bravo, bravo. Round of applause. What on?
Somebody is not a dog.
Should I be scared?
Them not pay a light bill per monkey. Them not pay a light bill.
Just like it's a JPS cut it off.
Again, no lights.
Jack,
I know you see us.
What on? What's up? Hello?
He's smiling. What
You're
one?
hearing.
Yeah, here we. You're not tired. What
Oh. Just like I said, why you avoid me? Okay.
one?
What's up? What you doing
on Monkey?
Huh?
Where you doing on Monkey?
Right up on Monkey. What you say?
Yeah.
We just stay out here.
Cool. I like your accent. Where you from?
Yeah, I tried to talk that call, eh?
What?
I tried to talk that call, eh? I someone tried from Jamaica.
Oh, you're trying to sound like you're from Jamaica. Are you from St. Vincent?
Barbados.
Trinidad?
No?
Which other Caribbean country did it?
Bahamas? St. Lucia?
31 Brentwood.
Darrell.
I don't
Wagwan,
expect
Darrell.
word from this guy. Wagwan. We here.
Yeah.
How are you?
Alright, you doing?
A
I'm
good man.
Just
Good.
having some chips. Chilling on this app with these weird ass people.
Right?
What they doing?
Showing
Masturbating
parts.
and shit. They just out here.
Show them parts, huh?
You don't like that?
No.
That's not why I come on here.
They on the wrong app. Wrong app.
What app you do that on?
You know.
I don't know.
You don't? Really?
Really, Darrell?
Really?
I don't really be on apps.
Okay.
Alright.
So how are you on Monkey though?
What are you doing on Monkey?
Huh? Now, I had to see this on Instagram, so I wanted to see what it was like.
Oh,
well,
it's
same.
ghetto.
Yeah, it gets so bad.
But yeah, it is other people on here showing their little wee-wee and shit.
Yeah.
You don't know, yeah. But Daryl, we doing a YouTube video, and we're two Jamaican girls, Omi,
And Riri
and we just,
out here chilling, talking with random people.
And
If you want to subscribe,
huh?
What y'all be talking about?
no, we just have a vibe, you know?
Yeah.
Just have a vibe, yeah.
We're not talking about anything
Specific, but we just have a vibe with people, you know, on this app.
And if you want to see yourself, you can go over there, Omi, O-M-I.
And R-I, Omi and Riri.
And if it's okay too, we're going to use your video.
Use this footage. Is it okay?
Oh, they had me on there?
Yeah. This content right now.
But not someone see you.
Yeah, so.
Okay.
guess so. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Well,
Alright.
have a great day.
Darrell. Bye.
Thank you for not being creepy.
Right.
You said don't be what?
No,
Thank you for not being creepy.
Oh yeah. So good.
Appreciate it.
It was cool.
Big one.
Really?
Yeah. I just look like a child because black don't crack.
Oh, they're not showing their
Oh,
face.
you were 2 girls?
Yes,
Yeah.
we're 2 girls. We're sisters.
Nice.
Please don't whip your dick.
I like your chain, the cross chain, you know, holiness and
Pure.
thank God for God.
Please don't whip your dick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please, where are you from?
Jamaica.
Oh, I'm from Canada. So nice.
You're from Canada. Okay.
Yes, I like your lips. It's so nice.
Why can't we see your face?
Really?
Yeah.
You wanna see?
Your
Yeah.
face.
Okay. Listen, show me please one time your legs. I show you my face. Okay?
Have a great
Show
day.
your legs first. Show your face first.
Have yourself a great day.
One time
Okay.
your legs. Come on.
Have yourself
Wrong.
Merry
that,
Christmas
my G,
and Happy
have
New Year.
yeah.
Great day. Bye.
Show your legs.
Show your legs, please. I'm from Canada. Show your legs, please.
Show your legs first.
You have been reported for what?
Who's reported us?
Somebody report with nothing, and I don't know what they're about.
I can't bet see the one where I show him socks and foot just now. Can't bet see him. I bet see him.
Yeah, report with.
We fear report him, you know.
And you out there.
My see jacket and move
How
so.
old are you? Show me your legs.
I'm 16. I'm underage.
Show your. Yeah, most some other people.
This app is so weird. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't think it's as weird as Omegle.
Walk one.
Hold on.
I'm
There,
here.
man.
There. You good?
I was gonna know something.
You don't know which one. I want you to know I walk one. That name like Kingston.
It's just for content and stuff. Like, it ain't really nothing serious. Unless
Yeah, I figured honestly.
What content? What's your channel?
Running back Sean YT.
Okay.
Running back Sean.
We're gonna subscribe.
And because
Okay.
we're gonna subscribe and watch your content, you should subscribe to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, most dead.
Yeah, for
Oh,
sure.
thank you.
We're actually filming something right now to post.
Okay. What is what's that thing?
OMI.
M.I.
OMI.
or O.M.I.?
Yeah, that's me, Omi.
And R.I. Riri.
You said R what?
RI. What's that, Sean?
Omi and Riri?
You
Yeah.
got it.
What's yours again? Run it back, Sean.
Yes, man.
Look real quick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm hoping you can understand some Jamaican.
Because we're Jamaican.
We are talking about one of the video for the most part. So.
Shoot, I'm not doing no tripping. I'm gonna watch. I'm most definitely gonna watch. I'll most definitely watch.
Thank you.
I
Let me.
turn out notifications on too.
Hey, you guys do like
Okay.
Sean, okay? Be like Sean.
Be like Sean.
And turn on your post notifications. We post every Sunday. When do you post?
Yeah, most definitely. Well, shoot, I really ain't really had a schedule yet, like, cause I really just started it, so I really just ain't found nothing to really,
Or like
Oh.
your knack yet?
huh?
You don't find your knack yet? Like,
Your niche.
Yeah,
Your
I really
niche?
just ain't found like kind of content I want to push out, but I kind of have a good idea. But, like, really ain't just pursued it yet.
Hold on, I'm trying to find you.
we're still trying to locate you here.
Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, it's RUN and then ITT and then back is spelled BACC.
Oh,
Shawn SHAWN.
run it back. Back without the key.
Yes. Okay.
Alright, we found you.
We gonna watch this
Thank
one
y'all
video.
So much.
No problem. No
I like
problem.
how y'all talking soup too.
Those my sisters, that's right.
Yeah, we're sisters, so you know.
Definitely watch y'all. Y'all stay up, y'all queens.
Thank you,
you.
King. Period.
Her.
Have a great day.
He was nice.
He was pretty
We
good.
got
Big up,
some
Sean.
Big up Sean,
Big up,
right?
Sean.
So make sure no
Go
check
over
out my
Sean.
page.
Let's go back one with.
Over Sean,
Over
right?
Sean. Sean could understand bits and pieces.
Sean could have come from Kingston.
Right there.
Right, so. Oh, this shit is coming from.
Oh Jesus.
Oh my goodness. God is good to me. I rebuke it. Guys.
Don't stop people. Never see what we over here.
We are being exposed to madness.
Expose. I have never seen so many So Kingston, Wagwan. Your mother knows say the on this. You're not 18.
Oh, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
You're not 18.
What, are you a gamer?
What's your gaming channel?
Are you a gamer?
I'm asking, I don't know. You look like you have headset.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, but I have a headset, but it look like, but if I Jamaican, but you think Jamaican people can just have a camera master and they just look good on camera so every day. Sheesh!
Of course! Sheesh! So what's up, kid?
Huh?
What's up?
Nothing.
You good?
So yeah, there now from Monkey.
Yes, we're Jamaican. I'm gonna ask you. Whether you're Kingston just like you, and we want to know if your mother knows say.
Thing is, you know what YouTube video right now?
Yes, so tell the people where you're on Monkey, though. Tell the people what you're doing on Monkey. Tell the people what you're doing on Monkey. Don't be shy.
Go on the YouTube channel name, go on the YouTube channel name and subscribe right now.
Oh, thank you. Okay. O-M-I.
And alright.
Wait, hold on.
No problem.
Then subscribe and turn on post notifications.
Yeah. What's your name?
Malik.
Shout out to Malik.
New subscriber.
Right, that's so.
What are you?
Oh, me and Riri. When it's too long to start YouTube myself, so.
What's it?
O-M-I.
O-M-I.
And R-I. Riri.
And R-I-R-I.
When it's too long to start YouTube myself, so.
We have 224 subscribers?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, that's us. Oh my god!
Alright, watch this. Now subscribe and show us some subscribe.
Alright, it's
Right, that's so.
Soon get the notification say Malik subscribe.
Yes, thank you so much, Malik. Yes.
Now subscribe and then show me.
Okay.
Yeah.
High five, Malik.
It's soon come up.
Yeah.
Oh, make sure I show you know.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
And then post notification
on. Guys, be like Malik. Be like Malik.
So that the post notification.
Compare rhythm with this with my dad. It better.
Alright.
Rhythm with this. Rhythm with that. What goes in a freezer hot and come back out hot?
Pepper.
I knew that.
My hand is sweat right now, right?
The man nervous.
Listen. Once you hit 20 million subscribers, guess how much money I gonna get?
I don't know, 20 million?
Probably no.
Lower.
$1.
She's kidding.
I don't know, tell me.
A lot. I'm guessing a lot.
$1 million.
Right,
Okay.
but 20 million is a lot because your watch hours have to be.
But not lie, really fun. Really fun.
Thank you.
Tell your friend them at school for the subscribe. See your new friend them Omi and Riri. When you blow up big, we're gonna remember your Malik.
Wait, so I'm a friend of mine. Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that sign?
Where YouTube channel name?
Omi and Riri.
Right, that's
Run
so.
the ad.
They already done.
But they're for Monkey App right now. I just meet 2 Jamaican girls and they are the animal YouTube video. Subscribe right now, yeah? Can I subscribe?
No, stop. No, Malik. Malik, run out on the ads.
Alright, yeah, subscribe.
Alright, Malik, respect.
Much love, Malik.
Subscribe.
Alright, Malik. Respect.
I mean,
you're going to maybe see tomorrow or Monday.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
Well, my birthday I come for Wednesday, so.
Alright, so we're gonna big it up
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Malik.
So you're gonna be 14, right?
30.
They're gonna be
Okay.
13 for your birthday. Well, kids always grown up when they're birthday. Hey, what about Malik friend them?
What's
Big up
up?
Malik
Big
for
up
him
Malik for
birthday.
him birthday. Right the so. Right the so.
Hey, listen to me, guys, listen to me right now. You see me? You see me, right? You saw me subscribe, right? If una don't subscribe right now, una not help them, you know? Una not help them. Just subscribe, like the video, comment, positive comment, no hate, nothing like that. And then once them do that now, them are gonna be happy, be good friends. I'm gonna watch them YouTube video every day and like all of them. Bye guys.